control your mind, in a quaint town named Eldoria. Nestled between rolling hills and lush greenery, there lived a young woman named Larry. Unbeknownst to her, she possessed a unique ability that set her apart from the rest of the power to control minds. Larry, however, was oblivious to this gift, living a simple life as a librarian in the town's cozy library. One day, as the sun dipped below the horizon and painted the sky in hues of orange and pink, an enigmatic figure named Eldon arrived in Eldoria. Eldon was drawn to Larry's extraordinary abilities, having sensed her power from afar. He was a wanderer, traversing the world in search of those with exceptional talents, and Larry's mind control intrigued him. Eldon observed Larry discreetly, marveling at her unsuspecting nature. He decided to approach her, introducing himself as a traveler with an insatiable curiosity about the mysteries of the world. Larry, ever welcoming, struck up a conversation with Eldon, unaware of the destiny that awaited her. As their friendship blossomed, Eldon began to reveal subtle details about the extraordinary capabilities dormant within Larry. He spoke of ancient prophecies that foretold a mind controller who would play a crucial role in preserving the delicate balance between good and evil. Larry, still skeptical, couldn't fathom that she was the protagonist of such a tale. Eldon, however, remained patient, guiding Larry through exercises to unlock the potential within her. Day by day, she discovered the extent of her abilities, influencing the thoughts and actions of those around her. Initially hesitant, Larry learned to harness her powers responsibly, using them to mend relationships and bring joy to the lives of those she touched. Yet, the tranquility of Eldoria was soon disrupted by the emergence of a dark force, a sinister organization known as the Shadows of Dissonance. They sought to exploit Larry's powers for their nefarious purposes, aiming to manipulate minds to further their ambitions. Eldon, recognizing the imminent threat, trained Larry to defend herself against the Shadows of Dissonance. The once unassuming librarian transformed into a formidable guardian, her powers now a force to be reckoned with. Together, Larry and Eldon embarked on a quest to thwart the shadowy organization's sinister plans and protect Eldoria from the impending doom. The journey tested Larry's newfound abilities and revealed the depths of her character. As the final confrontation with the Shadows of Dissonance loomed, Larry realized the true magnitude of her role in the ancient prophecy. With Eldon by her side, she confronted the shadowy leaders, using her mind control not to dominate but to inspire unity and harmony. In the climactic battle, Larry's powers resonated with the goodness within. People breaking the hold the shadows of dissonance had on their minds. Eldoria was saved, and Larry, once a humble librarian, emerged as a symbol of hope and resilience. With the threat vanquished, Uldan bid farewell, knowing his mission to guide Larry was complete. As he faded into the horizon, Larry returned to her simple life, forever changed by the extraordinary adventure that had unfolded. The townsfolk, unaware of the epic battle fought on their behalf, continued their lives in peace, and Eldoria thrived under the watchful eyes of the librarian who controlled minds with compassion and kindness. In the aftermath of the battle, Eldoria celebrated its newfound peace, and Larry became a revered figure in the town. The townsfolk, although unaware of the specifics of her heroic deeds, couldn't help but feel the positive impact of her presence. The library, once a quiet haven for books, transformed into a community center where people gathered to share stories of Larry's kindness and the mysterious traveler. As the seasons changed, alongside Uldan, she faced teachings lingered in Larry's mind that pushed her to the prompting her limits to continue of her strength and resilience. Her abilities for the greater good and alliances unfolded as Eldoria's unofficial. The duo navigated protector web using her powers to mend, all while the fate of Eldoria heal emotional wounds hung in the balance. Unity among the townspeople. The once unnoticed librarian was now a beacon of empathy, a guiding force that inspired positive change. However, the echoes of the past lingered. Eldon's words about the delicate balance between good and evil resonated with Larry, urging her to remain vigilant. The shadows of dissonance might have been defeated, but there were always new challenges on the horizon. Larry continued her studies, delving into the ancient texts Uldan left behind, searching for clues about the broader cosmic tapestry she was now part of. In her quiet moments, Larry contemplated the responsibility that came with her powers, the fine line between influence and manipulation weighed on her conscience. She sought to use her abilities judiciously, understanding that even the purest intentions could lead to unintended consequences. Eldon's wisdom echoed in her mind, guiding her moral compass. Eldoria, once a tranquil town, unaware of the supernatural events that transpired within its borders, became a beacon of harmony. Larry's reputation spread beyond its confines, attracting visitors who sought the wisdom of the librarian. With the mysterious powers, the library became a sanctuary for those seeking solace, advice, or simply a comforting presence. As the years passed, Larry's journey took unexpected turns. New allies emerged, each with their own unique abilities and stories to share. Together, they formed a network of individuals dedicated to preserving the delicate balance Odon spoke of. Eldoria became a hub for these extraordinary beings, a place where they could collaborate and exchange knowledge. Larry's life intertwined with the fabric of the mystical, and she embraced her role as a guardian of the unseen. The library, now a repository of ancient knowledge and modern wisdom, served as a testament to the transformative power of empathy and understanding. Larry, once an ordinary librarian, had become a living legend, shaping the destiny of Eldoria and beyond. And so, the story of Larry continued, an ever-unfolding saga of courage, compassion, and the enduring pursuit of harmony in a world touched by the extraordinary. The quiet librarian had become a living testament to the idea that true power lies not in controlling others, but in empowering them with kindness and understanding. As Larry's renown spread, so did the whispers of a new challenge. Emerging from the shadows, a mysterious phenomenon began to cast a subtle unease over Eldoria, a series of strange occurrences that hinted at a looming threat. Larry, attuned to the currents of change, felt a disturbance in the delicate balance she had worked so hard to maintain. As she delved deeper into the ancient texts left by Eldon, Larry uncovered cryptic prophecies that foretold of a cosmic convergence, a moment when the boundaries between realms would blur, and the true test of her abilities would unfold. The pages spoke of a celestial event known as the astral confluence, a rare alignment of cosmic energies that had the potential to reshape reality itself. Eldoria, once again at the center of a mystical nexus, faced challenges that surpassed any encountered before. Larry gathered her newfound allies, each contributing their unique talents to decipher the ancient prophecies and prepare for the impending convergence. The library, now a hub of collaboration and knowledge sharing, buzzed with the energy of preparation. As the astral confluence drew near, Eldoria became a focal point for otherworldly beings drawn by the cosmic energies. Larry, standing at the forefront of this convergence, faced not only external threats but also internal doubts. The weight of expectation bore down on her shoulders as she questioned whether she had the strength to navigate the complexities of the unfolding destiny. In the midst of these challenges, Larry discovered a dormant power within herself, one that transcended mere mind control. The astral confluence awakened latent abilities, allowing her to connect with the very essence of the town and its inhabitants. She could feel their fears, hopes, and dreams, forging a profound link that went beyond the surface of consciousness. The convergence arrived in a blaze of ethereal light, casting Eldoria into a surreal landscape where reality wavered like a mirage. Shadows stirred, and whispers of forgotten realms echoed through the town. Larry, drawing upon her newfound connection with Eldoria, navigated the shifting planes of existence, unraveling the mysteries of the astral confluence. In the climactic moments, Eldoria stood at the brink of transformation. Larry, with unwavering determination and the support of her allies, channeled the energies of the convergence to dispel the encroaching darkness. The town shimmered with a renewed brilliance as the cosmic forces rebalanced, and Eldoria emerged from the astral confluence not weakened but strengthened. The townsfolk, unaware of the cosmic drama that unfolded, felt a subtle shift in the air, a collective sigh of relief as if averted catastrophe had passed. Larry, once again the unassuming librarian, gazed at the horizon with a sense of fulfillment. The challenges had forged her into a guardian not just of minds, but of the very fabric of Eldoria's existence. As the echoes of the astral confluence faded, Larry realized that her journey was far from over. The mysteries of the cosmos continued to beckon, and new adventures awaited. With the library as her sanctum and Eldoria as her anchor, she embraced the ongoing saga of extraordinary tales, knowing that the threads of fate would weave her story into the ever-expanding tapestry of the mystical world she now called home.